Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of Conditional Content for WooCommerce. Introduction to Conditional Content. In this video about the WooCommerce Conditional Content plugin, I will show you what this plugin does and how it can help you create dynamic, personalized content for your store. Let's get started. The WooCommerce Conditional Content plugin allows you to show or hide messages, alerts, and promotions based on specific conditions for your store. For example, you can display an offer for a product, show a low stock alert, or even target specific users based on their role or location. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Content Blocks. Here is why this plugin is useful. You can display custom messages, like alerts or promotions. You can target specific users, products, or even cart conditions. It helps improve the customer experience by showing the right message at the right time. Here's how you can start using it. To create a new content block, click on the Add New Content Block button. In the Content Block dashboard, we can see already created content blocks, their titles, and time of creation. You can also search for content blocks using the search filter. We can also perform bulk actions like edit or move to trash. We also have an option to filter by date. Now, let's edit an already created content block. You can add the title of your content block, add a description to the content block you want to display. Then, you can set up rules to control when and where the content appears. Now let's talk about how conditional rules work. There are two main types: single product output rules, which are for product pages. For example, you can show a message for only specific products. General output rules work across your store. For example, you can show a message in the cart or checkout based on the total amount. And that's it. With the WooCommerce Conditional Content plugin, you can easily create dynamic, personalized content for your store. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.